Hey, hey, good morning from London. So, I will show you my room where I was staying. Okay, just I'm entering to my room. Just I'll touch here. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the gate. So here is a mirror. It's a full mirror and one hair dryer also here. Okay. Um, this is the bathroom. It is small bathroom, but it's a very beautiful bathroom. See, see. This is skincare for hand wash and hair wash. So this is also mirror. Okay. So the beautiful basin here. Okay. This is a cupboard. You can keep your dresses and shoes here. Okay. So this is one bed, the small table, chair. This is another bed. This is single room for two beds. This is TV section. This is one table. Oh, this is a very uh, beautiful room, but it has no, you can see it has no fan, no AC, nothing else, because outside it is, this building is totally centralized, AC centralized. Oh, so that's why specific room has no any AC and fans. Okay, and I will show outside of the room just to see. Yeah, you can see. So this is my home, this is my room tour. Okay, so, and I am living today. So see you in Delhi, see you in India. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Bye bye.